Hey guys, welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. And today what we're going to do is we're going to pull the gas tank. Yep, time to pull out that gas tank so that I can go ahead and start cutting out the cancer on the cab. And my last video we took apart the grill and the front bumper, and today we're going to go ahead and pull out the gas tank so I can go ahead and start cutting out the floor panels and all that. But first, what I got to do is I got to go ahead and clean out the cab. I got a bunch of parts in it and everything, as you can see. Let me show you. So I got all these car parts in here. Got my floor panels I need to replace. I got my fender in there. It's all primed, ready to go. My door panels, my radiator, new radiator. So I got to get all that out of here so that we can get started on pulling that gas tank. So hang with me and I'll be right back with you. All right, let's get this bad boy out of there. Okay, first we'll go ahead and start by disconnecting these wires here. Okay, all right, there's the ground. Pull that off the clip. Keep the clip. It's always good to have one of these little plate things with the magnet on it. Boy, those things really come in handy. All right. Let me see. Take this little sending unit off. Oh, good thing these are coming off easier than that bumper did yesterday. Jeez, that was a pain in the ass. There we go. There's that one. I'm not that good on my knees because I've had them replaced, so they're not the greatest knees in the world. So let's go ahead and get in here. While I'm on this side, I guess I'll go ahead and undo this strap. Here. There's that one. Okay. Go ahead and leave this here. All right. And all right, now I got to get in here. God bless America. That's why it's called the Old Farts Garage, because this old fart has a hard time getting in here. All right, let's go ahead and take this off of here. Yeah, once I get this gas tank out of here, I can go ahead and start working on like the floorboard, get cancer out of the floor, cut out those corners on the cab. That's usually the normal area those come out of. They get all kinds of cancer and stuff. I'm gonna pull this one here. All right. The only one I think is going to give me a hard time is the filler tube. So hopefully, all right, let's go this up. There we go. Push this down in there. All right. Jeez Louise, I've never done one of these before, so it's always the first time for everything. Okay, hopefully that'll come undone. Nope, it's not. All right, let's go ahead and work on it over here. See what we can do. All right. Come on, cart, stay right there. My cart wants to go, tool cart wants to go flying on its own. All right. Let's see now. A little bit of fuel still in there. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we can finish this up. Whew. So, after a run-in with the neighbor's dog, my dog decided to go crazy. Then the fact that I couldn't get these clamps off of here, so I decided to just go ahead and pull the whole thing together. You know, and that was a little troublesome, but I went ahead and did it off camera. There's still a little bit of gas left in the tank, so I'm going to have to drain that. You know, but I actually got it out of there. And as you can see, there's a fair amount of rust, but it should be not a whole lot. Go ahead and pull this tank out of here so you guys can see what we got going on. Okay, there we go. Set this bad boy over here. Alright. Okay. Well, mission accomplished. The tank is out. Pull all this crap out of here. Yeah. Huh. That's not too bad, actually. I think I should just go ahead and leave it. I'll trim it. Go ahead and just leave it. Oh, there's that cover. No biggie. Getting some new ones. So, anyways, yeah, that don't look too bad at all. It actually looks pretty good. There's still, like I said, there's not just surface rust here. A little bit of rust there on the cab corner. Like I said, that's the usual. That's no biggie. The rest of this looks pretty good. You know, a little bit of cleanup, and it should be good to go. So, anyway, like I said, so there it is, folks. It's a short video, but that's my accomplishment for today. Go ahead and clean this up off camera so you guys don't have to sit there and watch me scrape all the surface rust and stuff. So anyways, mission accomplished. I'll probably take these straps off and maybe get some new ones. So, and other than that, thanks for watching. Anyways, that was a job in its own, but we got it done. Gas tank is out. Now I can start cutting out the floorboard, start cutting out the cab corners, and then we can go ahead and clean it up, coat it, put the sound barrier padding on, put carpet in, throw it all back together. So that's going to be another video to see and do. So anyways, y'all have a good day now. Thanks for watching. God bless.